Guys, my name is Fan, and the last video we did was a paper claw, and in this video we're gonna be making a fortune teller like this one. So you start off with a square piece of paper, and then you fold it in not in half but diagonal, and then you do that to the other side. The other opposite side, and then you start with the corners and fold it into the middle and crease it and do it to all four corners. Like this. And then you flip it over to the other side. So there's a cross and there's a little crease in the middle. So you do that again. Make sure the points touch the crease in the middle. Do it to all four sides again. Then you fold it in half and crease it like this. Crease it. And then you put your fingers in the little pockets. You have to use two hands for this. Two hands for this. Like this. And then you have a fortune teller. If you want, you could put numbers and words inside of it. For fun, you could just make it. And make sure to see the next video.